Detach the A-pillar covering. Remove the retaining bolts and expansion rivets. Pull off the old seal. Remove butyl residues from the A-pillar and roof frame and clean them. The contact surfaces for the seal must be free of grease and dust. Lay a 4 mm butyl sealing profile along the middle of the roof frame. Apply a 6 mm butyl sealing profile along the A-pillar. Allow the sealing profile to overlap the roof frame generously at the top. Route the sealing profile of the A-pillar below the rivet nut. Keep a distance of about 8 mm from the body shell flange of the A-pillar. Fit a short piece of butyl sealing profile, 6 mm thick, 50 mm long, at the transition between the A-pillar and the roof frame. Fit the new seal at the outer corners first. When it is correctly seated, the bolt holes are directly over the matching rivet nuts. Attach the seal at the roof frame and A-pillar flange. Careful rolling ensures that it is properly seated and will not leak. Fix the new seal again with expansion rivets. Cut down the protruding butyl sealing profile until it is flush. Reinstall the A-pillar covering.